In this video, we'll talk about the Feature Selector node. To use the Feature Selector, input a color map into the input slot. This node will break up the image into chunks, called superpixels, where we can begin selecting for a mask. By default, the islands are large. To increase the accuracy or granularity, simply increase the granularity slider and you'll have smaller islands to choose from. To make a selection, left-click and drag over the islands. Hold left-click and Alt to remove from the selection. You can press L to activate the Lasso tool. To refine the selection, use the Color, Regularity, and Smoothness sliders on the right-hand side. This will refine and maintain your current selection. Keep in mind that the granularity slider is a destructive slider, meaning you'll lose your current selection when adjusting this slider. A good way to work is to pick a granularity that you feel will suit your selection best. Then go ahead and start selecting islands. Once you're happy with the selection, execute the node and this will output a single mask based on your selection. To use the AI selection feature, you'll need at least two mask inputs. First, loosely paint in the first portion you'd like to mask off. Add another mask paint and paint the second portion. To turn on the AI assist function, you'll need to enable the AI segmentation dropbox. The AI assist feature takes granularity into account, and since we're looking for the most precise mask, you can almost always increase the slider to the max. Press the AI assist button, and this will utilize the two mask paint inputs and make the selection for you. You can now refine the selection using the sliders as we did before. If you're not totally happy with the AI assist selection, you can always change the feature bias, which controls selection of finer or larger details, or use the texture weight to balance between color and textural differences. At any point, you can toggle between the selections in the drop-down below, and also change the overlay color for better visibility if necessary. Execute the node, resulting in outputting two masks based on your selections.